Every grain of sugar begins its journey here, in endless fields of sugarcane. Modern machines harvest thousands of tons of sugarcane every single day. Human skill still plays a vital role in sugarcane harvesting. Each stalk holds the raw sweetness locked inside.
Speed matters because sugarcane begins losing sugar immediately after harvest.
Every load is measured, tracked, and recorded from the very start. Quality checks begin before the cane ever leaves the field. Transport must be immediate to preserve sugar content.
Each truck carries the raw material for thousands of kilograms of sugar.
Protection during transport prevents moisture loss and contamination. The race against time now begins. Moisture control helps preserve sucrose levels.
Entire logistics networks exist just to feed one sugar factory.
Timing and coordination keep the factory alive. This is where agriculture meets industry. Thousands of tons wait their turn. The transformation is about to begin. From fields to factory, sugar's journey moves forward. Inside the factory, speed and coordination become everything.
Every second counts once sugarcane enters the plant.
This is the artery of the sugar factory. This is where agriculture meets industry. Preparation protects both machines and quality. Pressure releases the sweetness locked inside. Impurities are removed before concentration begins.
Purity improves step by step.
Water is removed, sweetness intensified. Sugar crystals are carefully grown.
Stability begins with proper drying.
Force separates solid from liquid.
Refinement delivers uniform purity.
This creates the sugar we recognize.
Automation replaces guesswork with data.
Uniformity defines quality. Clean handling protects people and product.
Quality is verified scientifically.
Only approved sugar moves forward.
Packaging prepares sugar for consumers.
Accuracy builds trust. Robots handle scale effortlessly. Storage connects production to demand. Sugar begins its global journey.
And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.